We're going to use Airtable Automations to create default information on every new invoice you create. What's neat about this automation is it can be used for a variety of different things. So every time that you add a record, it's going to automatically add specified field data here that shows up anytime you create it. So in this instance, we're going to create a new invoice, and every time we add an invoice, it's going to add the tax percentage and an open status. Before you create this automation, you need to first have a table such as mine that has invoices, and you need to have the very top record filled out because this is what Airtable uses to test out the automation. We're going to click on the Automations panel and click on New Automation. We're going to first set up our trigger, and this is going to be when a record is created. We're going to choose our Invoices table and run a test. Once that's completed, click Done, and now we're going to add our action. Click Add Action, and then we're going to choose Update Record, and we're going to choose the Invoices table again. Now we're going to choose the record ID. This is how Airtable makes sure it's matching up the correct record. So click the blue plus button and then choose your record ID. Now next you're going to choose the fields that you want updated every single time you add a new record. So in this instance, we're going to go choose field, we're going to choose the tax, and we're going to choose the status. Now you want to fill in the information you want to be set every time you create the record. So in this instance, we're going to add the tax percentage, and we're going to add a status of open. We're going to run the test and click Done. Now you want to rename it. And then turn the automation on. Now we're going to test it out. So we're going to click a new invoice. And you can see it filled in our new information. Again, this is useful for really any record type. You can go in and create your automation, set it up to any sort of record type, and then add your information here, and it will automatically fill it every time you add a new record.